everyone, and thanks for tuning into the Financial Investor channel. My name is Brent, and today we're going to go ahead and discuss my first $100 in dividends. And that's a big deal. I like definitely receiving money. Most investors, there's two types of investors. There's growth investors and dividend investors in my eyes. Growth investors are invested in Amazon and Google, and they never see a return in their investment until they sell off on shares of their stock. If Google went from $500 to $1,000, they would have doubled their investment, but they would not have actually made any money yet until they sell off those shares of Google. Now, I'm a dividend investor, and being a dividend investor, I can hold on to any stock that I want of the dividend paying ones, such as AbbVie, and they will pay out a specific return for just holding on to their stock. So Realty Corp and EPR, so ticker O and ticker EPR, they pay out every single month a specific yield compared to the price. So in my case, EPR pays out $15.64 and Realty Corp pays out $14.38. Together, that's $30 I'm generating from just holding their stock, whether it goes up or down. If their stock goes down, I can make money from being able to buy more of their stock on the lower end of the totem pole, which will increase my overall return from them paying me back. And if they go up in value, I will gain money from their growth. I may not be able to gain as much money from their if I buy into their shares and get paid out more, because the yield will be less because they've grown, but at the same time I could sell off shares that have grown and then buy back in at a lower discounted price where I can increase my yield. So for the month of August, I have several different stocks that are paying out, and one of them from my last broker, which is Motive, that's paying out $12.75. So I'll use that as my base and then move back over to Robinhood. And of course, that was Abbott. And Abbott was the parent company of AbbVie before they split off. And Abbott had been paying out dividends for 40 plus years. I believe they've been paying out 44 years of continued growth dividends. Next was Lowe's. And Lowe's paid out $19.68. I bought Lowe's on a great dip. It was during the Sears and Amazon talk where Lowe's had a dip of 6%. I bought into Lowe's, so I'm already greatly ahead in Lowe's. It's already recovered at 5 or 6%. I believe I'm up 6%, plus they're paying out $20 every quarter for owning their stock. So great there, great investment there. AbbVie pays out $9.60. EPR pays out monthly $15.64. Realty Corp pays out $14.38 monthly. Paychex is a quarterly stock that pays out, let's see here, I messed up my math. Dang it, man. $12.75 plus $19.68 plus 9.60 plus 15.64 plus 14.38 plus paycheck, which is $33.50, gets me $105 for the month of August. Now, I do have other stocks that pay out in August, but I missed their ex-dividends because I was moving from Robinhood, or from Motive investing to Robinhood. AT&T and Verizon, those are huge dividend paying stocks that I missed out on. Both of those two alone, I missed out on nearly $90 of dividend pay for the month of August. Another one is Colgate, and Colgate would normally pay out $20 for the amount I have invested in them. So total, I would have easily beat $200 in the month of August, but I did miss Verizon, AT&T, and Colgate's ex-dividend dates. But in the month of November, that won't be a problem because I will continue to own these stocks. Plus, I'll continue to have my monthly paying stocks, and it'll just build up, and that'll be a great return in the month of November. But again, I do have other stocks paying out in September, October, in between there. So if you watch my other videos on how to get paid every month with blue chip and aristocrat stocks, then you know my strategy on how I invest and continue to get paid out by quarterly paying stocks every single month. So that is it for this video. my first $100 in dividends. If you liked the video, hit the like button below. If you have any suggestions on future videos, go ahead and leave a comment below. If you would, subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below. If you have any questions or just want to say hello, please leave a comment and I will always reply back to you. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye.